Hey, this is great, man.
We's in Bloke's kitchen. We's going to make beef and ale pie. How about a bit of beef then? And ale. Good stuff from Lidl. That'll do. 7% knockout. Veggies to be thrown in afterwards. Stock, rosemary, salt and pepper for flavouring. Don't forget to flour your beef. Put a bit of flour in a bowl. Bit of salt. Bit more salt. Bit of pepper. Throw the meat in. I've seen this done before, so and there you go. Olive oil. Don't be shy. When it's hot enough, time to brown that lot. Point to note, once you've added your beer, put it to the side in case you need some more, and then get some more for you. Soak up them juices. Add your veggies. Sling it all in. Just sling it all in. And give it a stir. Yeah, right. Wait until it's reduced a bit more flour in there. Add your stock. Bit of mustard, tomato paste. Give it a stir. Lid on. Turn the heat down to mid-range. And cook for a good 2 hours. In the meantime, make your pastry. Bang it all out and then squidge it all together. That will go wrapped in cling film or silver foil in the fridge until it is further required. Boom. Alrighty, so 2 hours is up. Job's a good one. Gonna leave that out on the side for 20 minutes or so. Let it cool down. Alrighty, so the oven is heating up to 200 degrees. We're going to turn on the veggies, let them do their thing, and we're going to make some pastry. So we've got the pastry out, cut it in 2 halves, one for the bottom, one for the top. Disaster. There you go, it does fit. Squeeze it all down like. Right, done. Paintbrush does the job. Sling it in the oven then. 30 minutes. Chops of couldn. More beer. Check it out. Looking good. Et voila. The good thing about cooking is that you don't have to be a perfectionist. It's all about having a go. And that, my boys and girls, is steak and ale pie, bloke style. Sorted. Bon appetit.